and welcome back to my channel Shop Eat Travel Repeat. I know I have not posted content for quite some time now because I was not doing so well. आप आवाज़ से देख सकते हैं अभी भी I've not recovered completely, but yes, I am feeling better and I'll try to post the content continuously now, and I hope all of you are also doing good and your family is also doing good. This is a really tough time जो आजकल की situation है because of the COVID second wave. It is really sad, and to see the nation like this, it is really disheartening. So I would request all of you to keep yourself safe and stay at home all the time. मतलब बहुत necessary हो तभी बाहर जाओ, otherwise it's not a good time to go out. So I just request all of you to keep safe and stay safe and take care of your family as well. Today's video is again a skincare video in which I'm going to talk about two products which are really important nowadays because of this weather. Summers are on full swing, and also because we all are working from home, so we work on the computer all the time, the entire day, and we need to protect ourselves from all these UV rays and sun rays in this summer, and our skin also. So today's video is completely based on my pre and post sun care routine, and the products that I'm going to tell you about are from the brand Kama Ayurveda, which is a Ayurvedic brand and it's quite famous. बहुत ही अच्छे products होते हैं इनके, which are mostly 100% or 99% natural, cruelty free, harsh chemicals नहीं होते हैं इसमें, and Ayurvedic products होते हैं which are really effective because I've used them from quite some time and they work like magic on your skin. जो भी इसके natural ingredients होते हैं, they are really effective, and you will definitely feel the difference once you start using these products. So today the two products that I'm going to talk about from the brand are these two products. One is this Kama Ayurveda Natural Sun Protect Cream, and the second one is this oil Kama Ayurveda Nalpamradi Tailam. This one is before you go out and this one is after you are back. So let's first talk about the ingredients of this Sun Protect Cream. The main two ingredients of this cream are titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. So both of these ingredients are really good in deflecting the sun rays of your skin. So main two ingredients that protect from the direct sun rays are these two. Then you get olive oil in this and shea butter in this, and then glycerin also. So olive oil and glycerin make the formula like very non-sticky, and shea butter, you know, is really good for repairing your skin and protecting it from the sun, like whatever the damage has happened due to the sun rays, it can repair that as well. So all these ingredients all together work for a great formula which is non-sticky, non-greasy, and is suitable for all skin types. Like oily skin people can also use it because it has a non-sticky formula. So these were the main ingredients, and it is SPF 21, so great in protecting from the sun. Again, then you can it protects you from UV rays as well. So one thing that I want to tell you is that you don't need to apply sunscreen only while going out. You need to apply it inside your house as well, because now all the appliances that you're using in your home, they also emit some kind of UV rays, and UV rays also cause tanning and everything. So I would recommend you using this cream while you're at home as well instead of moisturizer, to protect your skin from all the tanning and damage from the UV rays. And obviously while going out you need to apply this, and this is good to apply over your arms, legs, face, wherever on the whole body you want to apply it while going out. So yes, this was about the Sun Protect Cream. It comes in this tube-like packaging. Just apply a nice layer coating. It is actually very easy to apply, and it's not oily and sticky on your skin. See, actually this feels like very light on your skin, guys. Mostly जितना मैंने देखा है, whatever sunscreens I used to use before this, they are very very sticky. आप whenever you go out after applying them, जैसे ही आप sun में जाएंगे, थोड़ा सा heat होएगा, they'll get very oily and very sticky, and आपकी skin पूरी खराब सी, मतलब खराब तो नहीं, but yeah, very sticky, and वो बहुत irritating लगता है. And if you apply it on your face, it's all sweaty because of that. So that is one thing which is different about this, and this will not be that sticky. And yes, it is definitely good product, and I would recommend it. मतलब मेरे तो स्किन केयर रूटीन में है ही है ये, so I would recommend you also to use it. So this sunscreen also has ginger, lime and nutmeg. So the fragrance that I was telling you about, very strong fragrance, so that was of the ginger and lime. I could really feel that. And these also like all these ingredients, the ginger, lime and nutmeg, these provide a really good scent, and along with that keep you refreshed, so stinky feeling nahi aati hai. So all the fragrance keeps you refreshed after applying this. So all in all, this is a great product to have in your skincare routine. Coming on to the second product, which is to be applied after you are exposed to, which is Nalpam Radhi Tailam from Kama Ayurveda. So basically this oil is nothing but it's like a mixture of a lot of natural ingredients blend together, and the main ingredient of this is turmeric and sesame oil. Abhi aap when I'll apply this oil, you will definitely see the yellow tinge of turmeric, which is very strong in this oil. So recommended यही रहेगा कि whenever you apply this, don't wear any light colored clothes because it might leave a mark on it. So just keep that in mind, and apply it before taking a bath because it is recommended to be kept like for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes पहले आप बाथ से इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं on all the affected areas and then wash it off, and mild cleanser से wash करेंगे तो better रहेगा instead of soap. Now it is completely safe to be applied over your face as well as your body, and if you have an acne prone skin या फिर आपकी थोड़ी oily skin है, so it is recommended कि आप इसको routine में daily में use ना करें, maybe once in a week or so, but for normal to dry skin people you can use it like either every day or alternate day in the week. I use it alternate day in the week, and it is really effective, and like I told you about that the products from Kama Ayurveda work wonders. So this one is definitely one of them because इसको use करने के बाद my skin like it details your skin definitely. Then it also rejuvenates your skin, gives it a glow, it brightens it, and थोड़ा सा आपका obviously skin का texture improve होता है and color भी improve होता है इसको use करने से. So all the natural ingredients that it has, it really works good, and mostly it is recommended for brides, as I can see described in Ayurveda as the natural skin illuminator for face and body, and highly recommended as a bridal beauty treatment. So आप समझ सकते हैं if it is recommended for a bride how effective it is, and अगर आप इसको daily routine में if you are including it and protecting yourself from the harsh sun and effects of that suntan, or like if you have uneven skin, it also evens that. So it has like a lot of different uses, and definitely one of the must-have products to be in your skincare regime. Gently for some time. एंड मैंने आपको बोला था कि बहुत प्रोमिनेंट कलर आता है इस पे टर्मरिक का, यू कैन सी। इसको अप्लाई करने के बाद जस्ट कीप इट फॉर हाफ एन आवर एंड देन रिंस इट ऑफ। आप इसको बॉडी पे भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं इफ देयर इज अ टैनिंग और समथिंग। दैट्स ऑल। These were the two products that I wanted to talk about today, and in this kind of weather, these are like the most important products to have. और आपकी किसी भी टाइप की जो टैनिंग से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है या अनइवन स्किन टोन है, इफ यू वांट टू हैव अ ग्लोइंग स्किन, नाइस स्किन, सो दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर मस्ट टू हैव। एंड इसको आप अपने स्किन के रूटीन में अगर इंक्लूड करेंगे, यू विल गेट रिड ऑफ ऑल दोज प्रॉब्लम्स एंड यू कैन प्रिवेंट योर स्किन फ्रॉम ऑल द हार्श डैमेज दैट sun rays or UV rays can have on your skin. So that was all about today. I hope you liked my video, and you can comment down whatever you like or whatever new videos you want me to post, and I can try to make it in this kind of situation. Obviously I'm not going to go out, so अभी आपको कुछ इसी टाइप की थोड़ी product reviews videos ही मिलेंगी, but I will definitely try to post some content other than these products reviews. So yeah, that was all about today. Just take care of your family, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care.